Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn most important MCQ on right against exploitation. Your first question, which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution provides protection against exploitation? Correct answer, Article 23 to Article 24. Right against exploitation is guaranteed under Article 23 and Article 24 of the Indian Constitution. This right ensures protection of human dignity and safeguards weaker sections from exploitation. Next question. Article 23 of the Indian Constitution prohibits which of the following? Correct answer, traffic in human beings and forced labor. Article 23, Clause 1 prohibits traffic in human beings, begar and forced labor. Traffic in human beings includes prostitution, bondage and human trafficking. Violation of Article 23 is a punishable offense under law. It applies to both state and private individuals. Next question. The term begar mentioned under Article 23 refers to? Correct answer, involuntary work without payment. Begar means compelling a person to work against their will and without any wages. It was common during colonial times when people were forced to work for rulers and landlords. The Constitution abolished begar under Article 23, making it unconstitutional. Next question. Which article of the Indian Constitution prohibits the employment of children below 14 years of age in factories, mines or hazardous industries? Correct answer, Article 24. Article 24 prohibits the employment of children below 14 years in factories, mines or hazardous jobs. However, children can work in non-hazardous family enterprises or non-hazardous occupations. This article works along with Article 21A, right to education, to ensure children's welfare. It reflects India's commitment to protect children from exploitation. Next question. According to Article 24, a child below the age of 14 years be employed in? Correct answer, hazardous employment. Article 24 specially restricts child labor in hazardous industries like factories, mines and chemical plants. It does not completely ban all kinds of child work. Children below 14 years can work in non-hazardous family-based occupation. This law aims to protect children's health, education and future. Next question. In which year did the Indian Parliament pass a proposal to completely ban the employment of children below 14 years? Correct answer, 2016. In 2016, the Parliament amended the Child Labour Act 1986. The amendment completely banned employment of children below 14 years in all occupations except when they help in family business or work as child artists. This law aligned with Article 24 of the Constitution, strengthening child protection measures. Next question. Under the 2016 amendment related to Article 24, children below 14 years can only work in? Correct answer, family enterprises and non-hazardous work. The 2016 amendment made child labor illegal but provided an exception. Children below 14 years can work in family business or as child artists in the entertainment industry. Even here, the work must be non-hazardous and should not affect the children's education and health. Your last question: which is the maximum punishment prescribed under the 2016 Child Labour Law for employing children below 14 years? Correct answer: 2 years jail and 50,000 fine. The Child Labour Amendment Act 2016 made the punishment more stringent for employing children below 14 years in contravention of the law, imprisonment up to 2 years, fine up to 50,000. These strict provisions act as a deterrent against child exploitation. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to the channel.